Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to find music you don't know the name of using Shazam like a pro. In order to do this, I'll divide it in segments, which you can skip to the part you want based on the timestamp below, or you can watch till the end to get the full knowledge. Now the first one is how to find music in Shazam. The second one is how to explore lyrics using Shazam. The third one is how to find all your Shazams in library. The fourth one is how to find your Shazam settings. The fifth one is how to log into the Shazam cloud. The sixth one is how to bring Shazam into your favorite apps. The seventh one is how to find upcoming content in Shazam. Before diving in, Shazam is a music recognizing app and also has most features. And here I will show you how to be a pro while using Shazam. In here, I'll give you all the full detail based on the segment which I mentioned. Now, the first one, how to find music in Shazam. Open the Shazam app. Here inside the Shazam app, here tap on this icon here in order to scan for the music. In order for Shazam to tell you the name, go near the speaker or the area of the music. Click here, this icon here, click on it.
It's behind me, 'cause I've seen nail-scarred hands reach out and wipe it all away, yeah. Now I see great. When I left in 99, you saw the one, and just like that, all my past is being.
As you can see, it have identified the song. Now, how to explore the lyrics. To explore the lyrics, click on these lyrics here. Then, as you can see the lyrics here. You see the lyrics. As the song is playing, you will listen to it. See the lyrics. You see it. Now, how to find all your Shazams in library, which means all the music you scanned in library. Now, go back by clicking this arrow. Go back again. Now, click on this library here. You see it. Now, click on Shazams. You see it. Here you find all the songs you Shazams, which all the songs you search for in Shazams. You see it. Now, how to find the Shazam setting. To find the Shazam setting, click on this arrow icon here. Now click on this settings icon. Now, as you can see, here is Shazam settings. You see it. Now the fourth one, how to log into the Shazam cloud. To log into the Shazam cloud, click on this sign up here. Now use your email or any email you want by clicking this down one, or use your Gmail, anyone you want. Just click on it. Now click on agree. Wait for it. Now click on the email. As you can see, I have logged into the Shazam cloud now. Here you can see it. You won't see the login again. That means you have logged in. The benefit of logging into the Shazam cloud is that anytime you log in or you find another device and log in using the email, it will automatically bring out all the music you search for in Shazam. Now, how to bring Shazam into your favorite apps. To bring Shazam into your favorite apps, click on this icon, these two icons here, and then click on this one here. Now click on go to settings. Now turn it on here. Click on it. Now go back and try it. Click on try now. As you can see, the benefit of this, you can identify songs in anywhere, music in anywhere, in any platform, social platform you want, like this. Click on the Shazam icon here, then click on the music. As you can see, it have identified it. You see it. It have identified the song. You see it. Now, how to find upcoming content in Shazam. Now, to find upcoming content like this, click on the back arrow. Go back to the Shazam app like this. Now, click on this content. Here, you can see the content based on area you were. You see it. Now, to find a content, click on this find a content. Now, set the location you want by clicking on this location icon here. Click on it, select the location, select it. Now wait for it. Also, you can set the date based on the date of the content you want to know about. Select the date. Now select the date you want by clicking on anyone here. You can click on tomorrow to know the content which will come out tomorrow. You see it. These are tomorrow contents. You see it. You see it. Guys, if you find this video helpful, like, subscribe for more AI tool and tech related guide like this. And if you are visiting for the first time, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to never miss out on my new content. If you want to know how to download any song you find in Shazam, check the description section below. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.